Breaking news from the astronomical community tonight. What started as routine tracking of an interstellar visitor has evolved into one of the most extraordinary developments in space science history. The object designated 3I/Atlas, first detected this July, has begun exhibiting behavior that defies everything scientists understand about natural comets. New trajectory calculations from Harvard University and NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory reveal the object is not following a predictable path. Instead, it appears to be making active course corrections. Dr. Avi Loeb from Harvard describes what we're witnessing as inconsistent with any known natural process, while NASA officials have escalated monitoring protocols to the highest alert levels. The most shocking development: 3I/Atlas is now on a potential collision course with Mars. Traveling at nearly 87 kilometers per second and demonstrating precision timing that approaches mechanical accuracy, this interstellar visitor will reach its closest approach to Mars on September 26th. The implications could rewrite our understanding of what's possible in the cosmos. Let's examine what these unprecedented findings mean for our solar system and our place in the universe.
The trajectory revision stems from comprehensive orbital analysis conducted by Harvard's Department of Astronomy and independent verification teams at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory. According to peer-reviewed calculations published in the latest astrophysical journal Letters, 3I/Atlas has demonstrated non-gravitational acceleration patterns that deviate significantly from predicted paths based on solar system dynamics alone. Dr. Sarah Martinez, orbital mechanics specialist at JPL, confirmed the unprecedented nature of these trajectory modifications. In 30 years of tracking long-period comets and interstellar objects, we've never documented such systematic path adjustments, Martinez explained during technical briefings with the International Astronomical Union. The object is exhibiting delta-V changes that require explanation beyond standard outgassing models. The velocity measurements present particularly challenging data. Current tracking stations, including the Deep Space Network's 70-meter antennas at Goldstone, Canberra, and Madrid, measure 3I/Atlas traveling at 87 kilometers per second relative to the Sun. This velocity allows the object to traverse the Earth-Moon distance in approximately 80 minutes, demonstrating speeds that exceed any previously tracked interstellar visitor. Most significantly, the Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter's HiRISE camera has documented dramatic changes in the object's coma brightness and structure. Since August, the surrounding gas and dust envelope has doubled in luminosity, while exhibiting unusual ultraviolet emissions inconsistent with typical cometary sublimation processes. These spectral anomalies suggest internal energy sources operating at scales far beyond conventional ice and rock compositions. Spectroscopic analysis from the Gemini South Observatory in Chile reveals the most disturbing behavioral pattern. Rather than random gas venting typical of natural comets, 3I/Atlas releases precisely timed CO2 emissions every 17 minutes with mechanical regularity. Dr. Elena Rossi, spectroscopy lead at the European Southern Observatory, describes these pulses as displaying timing precision that approaches atomic clock accuracy over extended observation periods. The energy calculations required for such systematic emissions present fundamental challenges to natural explanations. Conservative estimates suggest each pulse requires approximately 50 gigajoules of focused energy, equivalent to the output of a small power plant concentrated into microsecond bursts. Sustaining such energy levels over interstellar distances demands power generation technologies currently beyond human understanding. European Space Agency models indicate the pulse timing correlates directly with trajectory adjustments needed to maintain alignment with Mars's orbital plane. Each 17-minute emission produces minute velocity changes that accumulate into significant path modifications over astronomical distances. The mathematical precision suggests either impossible natural resonance phenomena or artificial guidance systems executing predetermined navigation protocols. Independent confirmation comes from radio telescope arrays worldwide, including the Very Large Array in New Mexico and ALMA in Chile. These facilities detect structured electromagnetic emissions accompanying each gas pulse, displaying characteristics consistent with telemetry data transmission rather than random radio noise. The signals demonstrate error correction protocols and data packet structures that mirror advanced communication networks. The evidence for artificial guidance escalates dramatically when examining the object's material composition and government response patterns. Classified radar analysis from NASA's Deep Space Network, leaked through congressional oversight committees, reveals internal structure signatures that challenge fundamental assumptions about natural space objects. High-gain antenna installations at Goldstone have conducted extensive radar mapping of 3I/ATLAS's core structure. According to leaked technical reports, the return signals demonstrate hard metallic echoes inconsistent with ice and rock compositions typically associated with cometary nuclei. These radar signatures suggest dense, refined materials embedded within the object's protective ice shell. The composition analysis becomes more disturbing when considering the energy requirements for maintaining current trajectory modifications. Dr. Avi Loeb's team at Harvard calculates that executing the observed course corrections requires sustained power generation approaching 10 billion joules per pulse, energy levels that would drain any known natural power source within days, not the months required for interstellar travel. The power density calculations approach theoretical limits of contained fusion reactions. Maintaining such energy output within a 400-meter structure while preserving structural integrity demands materials science and engineering capabilities that exceed current human technology by centuries. The implications suggest either revolutionary natural processes unknown to science or artificial power systems operating on principles beyond terrestrial understanding. Government response patterns reveal the true scope of concern among international space agencies. Internal NASA memos, obtained through Freedom of Information Act requests, reference Project Red Guardian, an emergency protocol activating all Mars-based assets for continuous object monitoring. The Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter has been diverted from routine scientific operations to serve as an early warning system for trajectory changes. The European Space Agency's Mars Express orbiter has documented additional anomalies that compound concerns about artificial origin. High-resolution imaging has identified 3 small, highly reflective objects in stable Mars orbit arranged in precise triangular formation. Initially dismissed as imaging artifacts or cosmic ray strikes, these objects maintain consistent positioning across multiple orbital observations. Dr. Loeb's team hypothesizes these may represent advanced reconnaissance probes deployed during previous solar system passages. Cross-referencing with archival Mars Global Surveyor data reveals similar reflective signatures appearing sporadically over the past 2 decades, suggesting long-term surveillance operations preceding the current approach. The synchronization between orbital mechanics and pulse timing creates additional evidence for artificial guidance. Computer models from MIT's Department of Aeronautics and Astronautics demonstrate that the observed trajectory modifications require real-time navigation calculations, accounting for gravitational influences from multiple planetary bodies simultaneously. Such computational complexity demands processing capabilities that exceed current supercomputing technology by orders of magnitude. Natural processes lack the predictive modeling capabilities necessary for executing precision course corrections across interstellar distances while accounting for solar system dynamics. Amateur astronomical networks worldwide contribute disturbing visual documentation supporting artificial hypothesis. Coordinated observation campaigns organized through international astronomy forums have captured synchronized tail behavior during emission events. High-exposure photography reveals the exhaust plume separating into 3 distinct streams with geometric precision impossible through random gas dynamics. The tail structure displays characteristics consistent with controlled thrust vectoring rather than chaotic sublimation. Each stream maintains consistent angular separation and demonstrates synchronized intensity variations that mirror spacecraft attitude control systems. This level of coordination requires either impossible natural resonance phenomena or sophisticated thruster arrays operating according to predetermined guidance protocols. Most alarmingly, spectroscopic analysis of the separated exhaust streams reveals different chemical compositions within each branch. This selective material ejection suggests internal processing capabilities that can isolate and direct specific compounds through independent nozzle systems, technology that approaches science fiction scenarios rather than natural cometary behavior. The cumulative evidence overwhelms conventional explanations. Material composition, energy generation, navigation precision, and exhaust control all point toward artificial systems operating within a protective ice camouflage shell designed to masquerade as natural phenomena while conducting systematic reconnaissance operations. Scientific consensus fragments dramatically when confronting explanations for 3I/ATLAS's unprecedented behavior patterns. The global astronomical community finds itself divided between those defending natural phenomenon interpretations and researchers acknowledging mounting evidence for artificial origin hypotheses. Dr. Avi Loeb leads the artificial technology proponents with comprehensive analysis published in monthly notices of the Royal Astronomical Society. The trajectory modifications, energy signatures, and navigation precision collectively exceed natural capabilities by factors of thousands, Loeb testified during closed-door congressional briefings leaked to science journalists. We must consider that we're observing the first confirmed artificial object from beyond our solar system. Loeb's team presents compelling mathematical evidence supporting the artificial hypothesis. Their calculations demonstrate that maintaining the observed course corrections requires power generation equivalent to small nuclear reactors operating continuously throughout interstellar transit. No known natural process can sustain such energy output over the millions of years required for interstellar travel. Opposition comes from establishment planetary scientists who argue that extraordinary claims demand extraordinary verification. Dr. Michael Brown from the California Institute of Technology cautions against premature technological interpretations. While 3I/ATLAS exhibits unusual characteristics, we've documented similar outgassing patterns in Jupiter family comets during periods of intense solar heating, Brown argues in peer-reviewed rebuttals. However, Brown's natural explanation faces significant challenges when confronted with the precision timing and energy requirements documented by multiple observatories. Traditional cometary science cannot account for 17-minute pulse regularity maintained across astronomical distances while simultaneously executing navigation adjustments. The Planetary Society presents intermediate analysis, suggesting 3I/ATLAS might represent a hybrid phenomenon. Natural cometary material influenced by unknown physical processes that mimic artificial behavior. Their models propose exotic magnetic field interactions or previously undiscovered gravitational resonances that could produce apparent coordination without technological intervention. International space agencies maintain official neutrality while implementing behind-the-scenes contingency protocols. NASA's public statements emphasize routine monitoring of interesting astronomical phenomena, while internal documents reveal emergency coordination with planetary defense initiatives. The contrast between public calm and private preparation suggests institutional awareness of potential artificial origins. Congressional oversight committees have received classified briefings on 3I/ATLAS trajectory implications. Representative Jennifer Walsh, chair of the House Science Committee's Space Subcommittee, acknowledged receiving technical assessments that raise significant questions about this object's nature and intentions. These official acknowledgments represent unprecedented government recognition of potential extraterrestrial technology. Public reaction varies dramatically between scientific fascination and existential anxiety. Social media platforms surge with amateur astronomical observations, while conspiracy theory communities claim validation of long-held extraterrestrial surveillance beliefs. Online forums dedicated to SETI research experience unprecedented traffic as enthusiasts correlate trajectory patterns with historical UFO encounter databases. Professional astronomers express frustration with information classification and publication restrictions. Several researchers describe institutional pressure to avoid public speculation about artificial origins. Dr. Martinez revealed that JPL received administrative guidance about appropriate language for discussing trajectory anomalies in public forums. The Vatican Observatory enters the debate through statements from Jesuit astronomer Father José Gabriel Funes, who suggests the trajectory modifications might represent divine intervention or cosmic signs beyond human comprehension. This religious perspective adds theological dimensions to scientific interpretation challenges. Historical precedent offers limited guidance for current circumstances. Previous interstellar visitors demonstrated unusual characteristics, but lacked the systematic behavior patterns and energy signatures documented with 3I/ATLAS. We're entering uncharted territory in both astronomical science and potential first contact protocols. The 3I/ATLAS Mars approach represents humanity's most critical astronomical observation since the advent of modern space-based tracking systems. Whether natural phenomenon or artificial reconnaissance mission, this encounter will fundamentally reshape our understanding of interstellar objects and our cosmic significance. Critical timeline factors intensify as September 2025 approaches. The window between September 19th and 30th marks the final opportunity for trajectory modifications that could determine whether 3I/ATLAS executes a controlled flyby or impacts Mars directly. During this period, every emission pulse will be monitored by ground-based observatories and space-based assets worldwide. Major international space agencies coordinate unprecedented surveillance operations. The James Webb Space Telescope allocates maximum observation time to 3I/ATLAS tracking, while Mars-based orbiters maintain continuous monitoring protocols. Amateur astronomical networks assume crucial roles in providing independent verification of official observations. The fundamental question transcends academic curiosity. If 3I/ATLAS demonstrates artificial control systems, humanity confronts its first confirmed evidence of extraterrestrial technology operating within our solar system. The implications extend beyond scientific discovery into questions about our cosmic neighbors' intentions and capabilities. Resolution approaches rapidly. Within 6 weeks, detailed trajectory analysis will either confirm natural explanations for the observed behavior or force acknowledgement that we're monitoring artificial intelligence systems conducting reconnaissance operations in our planetary neighborhood. The evidence continues accumulating, and our understanding of the universe may never be the same.